Hi, so do you want to get rid of your hair fall and also want some healthy, shiny hair like me? Then wait, let me show you. Yeah, this is Plum's Onion and Bhringraj hair oil. It is a 100 ml bottle. Not only onion and Bhringraj, but it also consists coconut oil, amla oil, even castor seed oil, sunflower seed oil, onion extracts, so many good things. Also, it doesn't have any kind of fragrances or any kind of chemicals, so definitely it's a must buy. Or you can definitely try it. Bhringraj and onion, these are great for your hairs, and I use it and I do see some. I mean, I have been using it. I have been using Plum for a lot of time, and see, you have to apply your oil very consistently. Okay, so I have a kit, and that also consists this scalp revitalizer or massager, whatever you want to say. This is the product. I got it. It is a 3-piece set. Okay, and in this you will get our oil, 100 ml bottle of oil, 250 ml of shampoo, and this scalp massager. The bristles are very soft in this one, and you can definitely massage your hair very smoothly. Okay, don't leave a single place, oil your hair, and then you can use this one to massage your hair very gently, so that oil also penetrates in your hair, and also it gives a very soothing feeling to me, and I love doing this one. Whenever I'm free and I have a lot of time, I do try to oil my hair very evenly. And if your fingers can't do all the work, then definitely this is a great thing. See, you can also detangle your hair, and you can massage any part of your hair very easily. Like me, see, you can go in the downs, you can use it anywhere in your head. Now let's show you something more. Wait, okay, so this is the Plum Onion and Biotin Hair Fall Control Shampoo. After leaving your oil in your hair for overnight or for few hours, you can use this shampoo. It is actually very good. But now, when your hair is dry and after shampoo, what should you do to control your hair fall more? Like an easy step. Now, wait, dryer? No. Ekdam big no. Yeah, sunlight. Why should you use a dryer when you can dry your hair in the sunlight? And dryer is also very damaging for your hair. Okay, so you got it right. I think you do understand what you should do for your hair. Now it's tata time. Wait, oh, don't forget your sunscreen. And if you want a skincare video, then stay tuned.